Unlocking the magic of 3D printed sculptures. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printed sculptures. If you've ever wondered how technology intersects with art, you're in for a treat. Let's unravel the mystery behind these modern masterpieces and understand why they're so significant in today's world. At its core, a 3D printed sculpture is a piece of art created by a 3D printer. Unlike traditional sculptures carved or molded by hand, these sculptures are produced layer by layer using a special machine. The process starts with a digital model on a computer, which the 3D printer then brings to life by adding material bit by bit until the sculpture is complete. Creating a 3D printed sculpture involves several key steps. First, an artist or designer crafts a digital design using 3D modeling software. This design acts as a blueprint for the sculpture. Next, the design is sent to a 3D printer, which uses materials like plastic, resin, or metal to print the sculpture. The printer adds these materials layer by layer, following the design's exact specifications, until the sculpture is fully formed. 3D printed sculptures are not just artistic expressions. They represent the fusion of art and technology. They make it possible to create complex and intricate designs that would be difficult or even impossible to achieve by hand. Moreover, they open up new possibilities for customization, allowing artists and customers alike to personalize sculptures in ways never before imaginable. They also play a crucial role in education, healthcare, and architecture, demonstrating the versatility and potential of 3D printing technology. The emergence of 3D printed sculptures has sparked a revolution in the art world. Artists are now able to experiment with new forms and materials, pushing the boundaries of traditional sculpture. This technology also makes art more accessible, as digital designs can be shared and printed anywhere in the world. Moreover, 3D printing challenges our perception of art, encouraging us to question the relationship between creator and creation, and what it means to be an artist in the 21st century. We hope this exploration of 3D printed sculptures has opened your eyes to the incredible potential at the intersection of art and technology. These sculptures are not just pieces of art. They're symbols of innovation, creativity, and the limitless possibilities of the future. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey, and we look forward to discovering more wonders of the English language and the world around us together.